How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and this is a video that I have not made in quite a long time on this channel. Today we have a model airplane unboxing, which is I haven't done one of these in about 3 or 4 years or something like that, but I'm super excited to start doing this again. I'm going to start collecting models again. I actually sold a lot of mine that was in my previous collection, but I still kept a few from Northwest that I had and a couple of the Hawaiian planes. But here today I have the new Gemini Jets Delta A350-900. So I actually went to Willow Run Airport this morning, and they had a airline collectibles show there, which was really cool. I'd never gone to one of these before. It was the 3rd annual show. It was held in one of the airplane hangars near Kalita Air. And in there they had a bunch of planes on display and about 40 tables with posters, pins, models, posters, you name it. I think I already said posters, but pretty much everything imaginable. Safety cards, old airline memorabilia, and I picked this up. Here's just a look around the box, typical Gemini Jets box, and it was released last year. And this is November 501 Delta November. So I've actually seen this plane quite a few times at Detroit Airport, and I've got a few videos up on the channel of that plane. So I'll link the videos in the description down below if you guys want to see that. So let's go ahead and lift up the flap. There's the plane inside and the specifications on the top flap. You guys can pause and read that if you want to, but without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. So at this collectible event, they had a huge table filled with models, Gemini Jets, Herpa wings, Hogan wings, whatnot. And this was my favorite out of the bunch, so I decided to pick this one up. So, alright, and the plastic came up. Alright, so here we go. This is an incredible looking model. So much detail in it. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera angle so we can show this thing closer up. Alright, so this is the plane. I kind of got the light a little brighter so we could see more of the detail. So we can go ahead and start up in the nose. You can see that the nose cone has quite a little detail as well, and all the details around it. There's the SkyTeam logo right up front there by the door. Just everything is so detailed. And now on the 400 scale they have the antennas as well, which I don't have on any of the other models. Those were originally only in the Gemini 200 models, so this is one of the best detailed models that I ever received. Engines are really nice. You can kind of see inside of them right there. This is the new wingtips for Delta. You can see it has the Delta logo on the winglets, which is really cool. There's over the wings, like I said, N501DN, and the Delta tail in the back. So, very nice model. This does have rolling landing gear, which is a really cool touch. And on the bottom, this is new. Each Delta plane now has the Delta titles on the bottom, and there it says Gemini Jets right there. So that's really cool. Here's a head-on view. So yeah, there's all my puzzles in the back. If you guys want to see more of that, check out my other channel, link in the description. But yeah, incredible looking model. I'm super pleased with how this thing looks. This is going to look great on the shelf with all my other planes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where I put this. I've got a little shelf right up here with all of my models. So as you see, my collection's dwindled quite a bit. So I've only got a couple Northwest planes and Hawaiian planes and my Allegiant MD-80, and also a 777 right there. And this thing is actually kind of cool. Let me turn on the light and show you guys this. So this globe here actually rotates when you put it under light, which is super cool. This line isn't quite lined up. There we go. So as you see, it rotates just like the Earth would when it's under light, which is super cool. So I put that next to my models because it looks really nice. So you have my DC-914, Allegiant MD-82, CRJ-200. We got a DC-930, DC-950, 717, 717, and 777-300ER. So we're gonna put this plane right in front here for the main attraction. I'm gonna move this out of the way. put that on some different shelf. So I'm gonna put this right there. That looks really, really nice. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and keep on the lookout for more unboxings in the near future. So take care, guys, and I will talk to you later.